Arrays in C++. So what is array? Array is a set of collection of elements with the same data type. Normally you are giving integer a means we can able to get only one element. If I want to get a 10 elements using the same variable, I can use arrays. Okay, so single dimensional array. So declaring an array, the syntax is data type, array name, index. So example, data type is integer and then array name is a. Index is 5. Index means it indicates how many numbers you want to save in the same location. For example, student number, if there are 50 students in a class, so I can give student number 50, so that I can store 50 student numbers in one variable. Okay, so assigning a value. So how to assign a value? Integer a comma 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you assign like this, in this memory location, how it will assign means, normally the array location starts with 0. Starts with, we can also change, starts with, we can also change by telling directly a of 1 or 2, but normally the array location, the indexes start with 0. Okay, so this is a of 0 location to a of 1 location, this will be, so this is a of 0 location, this is a of 1 location, and this is a of 2, and this is a of 3, and this is a of 4 location. So if I give C out a of 2, that means, so what the value of a of 2 is 4. So 4 will be the output. So this kind of declaration is called as single dimensional array. So declaration, example, assign a value. So if you assign, how the memory location will be and what is the output if you give. Okay, this is single dimensional array. The next one is a double dimensional array. Double dimensional array is a sequential collection of elements of the same data type stored in a matrix format. If you are storing your data in a matrix format, then it is called as a double dimensional array. Okay, previously we have seen as a list or index in the same way. So in this, declaring an array is data type, array name, index, index. Okay, so here there will be two index. So this is called as an x and y axis. This is called as a double dimensional array. Okay, so integer a of 3 comma 3. So 3 comma 3 means you can up to store 9 elements in array a. Okay, so if you can assign a value to a double dimensional array, how to assign? The return type or data type, array name, and then index 3 comma 3. So you can assign for first row and first column will be come like this, 2, 3, 4, and then 8, 5, 6, comma 9, 10, 11. If you assign a value for this memory, for this double dimensional array, the memory location will be, okay, this is a of 1 comma a of 1, this is 1. Okay, 2, I am just for you can assign 0, 1, 2 also, or you can assign 1, 2, 3 also. It is just for our understanding. Okay, so in a of 1 comma 1 location, the value will be a of 1 comma 1, that is first row, first column. So this is the first row, first column. What is the value? 2. A of first row, second column. This indicates row and this indicates column. Okay, this indicates row and this indicates column. This also, this index m n. So m indicates the row and n indicates the column. M into n elements you can store in a matrix. So a of first row, second column you can save 3, and a of first row, third column you can store 4, and similarly second row, first column, that is 8. So if I print C out to a of 2 comma 2, so a of 2 comma 2, what is the element? 5. You can also do some manipulation in this based on this array data. Okay, a of 2 comma 2 into 5 or multiply by 5, addition by 10 or whatever you want, do any manipulation based on this matrix data, you can also do it. Okay, this is called as a double dimensional array. Data type, array name, and then declaring rows and columns. The next one is multi or three dimensional array, more than two dimensional. Okay, so previously I have declared mn, that is number of rows and number of columns. If there are more than two dimensional array, then it is called as a multi dimensional or three dimensional array. So here you can see is data type, array name, index, dot dot dot. You can give many index, how much you want you can give. So here 3 of 3 3 4, that means 3 rows. So first you draw this, okay, 3 of 4. Okay, that means how the memory location will be for this. See, first 3 so 3 cross 4 means what? 3 rows 4 columns. Okay, 3 rows 4 columns, this. So like this matrix, you have 3 more boxes, that is 3 row 4 columns again. So and then again have. Okay, so this grade bundle is called A. So A of 1 2 3. So the memory location will be like this: A of first row, and then here first row first column, then second row second column, so whatever it is. So this is the memory location of three dimensional array.